Pinning important emails ensures that crucial messages remain easily accessible at the top of your inbox. Here's how you can set up this workflow in ZenInbox. Navigate to the Automation tab and click on Create Workflow to get started. Provide a name and a short description for your workflow, such as Pin Important Emails. Once done, click Continue. Set the trigger to Incoming Mails so that the workflow activates whenever a new email arrives. In the Logic section, select Labels. These labels are associated with mailboxes, not individual emails, making it easy to categorize emails from one or more mailboxes. Alternatively, you can set this workflow using mailbox logic if you prefer to focus on specific mailboxes instead of labels. Next, move to the Action section and select Pin. This will ensure that emails matching the criteria are pinned at the top of your inbox for easy access. Save the workflow settings and click Create Workflow. Your automation is now active, and emails with the selected mailbox label or logic will automatically be pinned. To verify, navigate to your inbox and check that emails meeting the criteria are pinned at the top. This workflow keeps your most important emails always within reach. Set up your pinning workflow in ZenInbox and stay on top of your priorities effortlessly.